Okay, we're gonna do a rigid tapping on the house TL1. We're gonna do 3/8/16. So we'll go to edit. The way you navigate through here is by edit. You go VSB. Go down. VSB. Forward. You go drill and tap. Go forward. You go tapping. Forward. Then you can command the tool of whichever you have set in for your specific holder. Just tool number 12 here. Work offset, G54, spindle RPM, C approach is pretty much it's pretty much easy to set up here. This one, just leave it as is. Coolant, I'll do 9 for this thermostat. No coolant, you put it number 9. Enter. Directions, forward directions, right hand tap, inches, 16 threads per inch, 0.9 going deep. Home retract were originally programmed for tool change. That's it. Once you set up all the numbers here, you just push, and it's asking you to do the tool change, which is already in there, and you just push start and it'll automatically start. Pretty good feature. I think you have to pay like extra for this feature. Came with the machine, which is awesome.